All right, guys. So a lot of people get to ask me questions like this: How fast is the lead sniper Google Maps scraper? And I think the best way to answer that question is to show you guys how fast the lead sniper Google Maps scraper is. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how much data we can get, all right, using the lead sniper for 10 minutes. So we're going to be having a timer set for 10 minutes, and we are going to be seeing how much of the data we can extract using the lead sniper Google Maps scraper. So for every one of you who have been asking me such questions, here is your time to find out. So let's get started. If you want to get your hands on lead sniper Google Maps scraper, you can use the link down below to get access to it. So let's get it done. So the first thing I'm going to do is to work with the Microsoft Edge account. Okay, you can see I have my lead sniper on the Microsoft Edge, so I'm going to open this up right here. Okay, so look at this now. Once I open this up right here, you're going to be having this little dashboard where you have to input a certain keyword, and your keyword basically is a combination of your targeted niche and your targeted location. So I have quite a number of this written out on my notepad, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy these ones, and I'm going to be inputting them right in here. But for those of you who don't really know how to go about the keyword thing, and maybe you need some help, Lead Sniper also has its bulk keyword generator. This particular tool here is going to help you arrange your keywords preferably to what you want. So let's say you get to choose some of the business categories right in here. You have over 4,000 plus business categories. You have to choose the ones you want to get your data. All right, then you want to also put at this very box here the locations you're trying to target. Now once you do that, you can see the results it's showing you here. This particular box here is how the keywords are to be used in the lead sniper and Google Maps scraper. So you can copy all of this and you can import them into the lead sniper Google Maps scraper and allow it to do its job. So for me, I already have mine here, and I'm going to proceed with clicking on start scraping. So you can see we have this particular Microsoft Edge account already scraping data directly from Google Maps, but I want this to work much faster, so I'm going to be making use of another browser, and for this I'm going to be making use of my Chrome browser. So the whole idea is for me to make use of multiple accounts, all right, just to make sure I get the job done in less than 10 minutes. So quickly, I'm going to open this right in here. You can see our timer has started already. I'm going to open this right in here, and I'm also going to repeat the same thing, a different keywords, okay, right? And I'm going to also input that right in here. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on start scraping, and you can see we have two browsers doing its work already. So we're going to be waiting for this to load up, and you can see we're going to be finding out how much data we can get using the lead sniper Google Maps scraper in 10 minutes. So let's watch out together. All right, guys, so you can see we have our 10 minutes complete. So you can see on the first browser here we have over 8,700 leads already gotten for us, and the second browser here has over 6,300 plus leads already gotten for us. Now I need you to note something, okay? Many times if you also try to practice something similar to this, the result might vary. And why is that so? Why? Because data connection is something you have to consider, and also how easy it is for Lead Sniper to help you extract leads from the keywords you are inputting. Not every keyword out there, right? Not every industry out there has a lot of data. So if you're working with a very big and huge industry, you're going to be having the Lead Sniper do justice to that category for you. So alright, guys, so from this video, I hope you get to see how the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper works and how fast this can be when it comes to helping you extract leads, extract data from Google Maps. The secret to this is working with multiple browsers. Work with multiple browsers and you're going to be having unlimited results in a very short period, and you are going to be having thousands of results in a very short period of time. So don't forget to check the link down below to get access to the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper too, and I'll see you in the next one. Please keep your questions coming in. They inspire me to create more content. I'll see you. Bye.